Open up your Google Chrome and search for Midjourney Discord. Click on the Midjourney Discord servers link. Now you will be taken to the Discord landing page. After that, scroll down and click on the Join Server button on the right side. Now, this is the main Midjourney Discord. Here, as you can see, there are some steps that you need to follow for Midjourney. To view your creations in a gallery, simply sign in using this link right here. Now go ahead to the left side. Here, you have some options, such as announcements, status, community updates, and more. Moreover, there are many threads here where people submit thousands of images each day. After that, you can see what people type and the outcomes that they receive. You also have the option to purchase the Midjourney software for a private Discord to generate your ideas easily. Here, you just need to type in different prompts and you will get different results. Now let us try adding a prompt. As you can see, it has generated results according to our added prompt. Furthermore, you will find various buttons to use, U for upscaling and V for variation. Also, the U1 button is for upscaling the first thumbnail, while V1 is for trying different versions of the thumbnail. After that, click Newbie 55, where people enter artists to see how they create images based on them. Now go to the prompt chat, and here you can view different prompts to generate images. Next, you have a daily theme. Here, as you can see, the prompt and the generated image. Moreover, you have the option to upscale it or try different variations as you want. If you found Midjourney interesting and want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.